September the 10th, 2024. And we are going to drive down and take a look at the Gulf waters. We have Tropical Storm Francine in the Gulf, who's supposed to make landfall tomorrow night, Wednesday night into Thursday morning, more towards the Louisiana coast, more to the west of us. We are going to be on the storm surge side of it. Depending on if it shifts anymore, we'll get mainly some rain, some wind. But we're going to go down to the Gulf State Park Pier, take a look at the waves, see what the water's doing, and we'll check out Coastal in Orange Beach also. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. It's Tuesday morning, and all we have right now are some overcast skies, a little light breeze, and a few drops of rain here and there. Hopefully that's all we'll get from this system. Doesn't appear that the waves are up too much yet. That'll probably change throughout the day today. Here at the Gulf State Park Pier, water's not too rough yet. It's choppy, but if it gets worse, we'll try to get back out and get a different video to show you any impacts or effects from Tropical Storm Francine. Can't really tell with the camera. It is rough, it's choppy, but nothing crazy. So nothing really crazy going on just now. Storm brewing off that direction. Maybe this will be all the effect we get. The surf will get a little more rough, but a little breeze, a little rain, and that should be fine. That's all we need. All right, that's the Gulf State Park Pier. Let's go check out Coastal and Orange Beach to see what the waves are looking like there. While we're over here in Gulf Shores, I'll go ahead and we'll drive through the Hangout parking lot to see what the surf looks like there. You won't be able to see much of it. The beach is a little wide there. But just to look at the Hangout area on a rainy Tuesday. coastal here in Orange Beach, we'll go ahead and stop off at Romar Beach, public beach access, just to take a look at the beach area there. Wave action shouldn't be that great or that big right now. Hopefully we won't get anything from this tropical storm, but let's take a look at Romar Beach, public beach access. Romar public beach access, like all of the other state-owned beach accesses, are pay to park. They have these little kiosks here, and they will ticket and tow. Still flying the yellow flag, so just cautionary surf right now. The purple flag is for dangerous marine life, usually jellyfish, could be little sharks, but primarily jellyfish at this time of the year. So nothing really crazy happening with the Gulf here in Orange Beach right now. Again, we're in Orange Beach, Alabama. Gulf State Park Pier, considered in Gulf Shores, Alabama, which is just down the coast that way. Some darker clouds starting to move in now. I expect this surf to really start churning by tomorrow evening when Tropical Storm Francine makes landfall in Louisiana. We are on the east side of it, and because of that, the rotation of the storm will bring more spins this direction, bringing more floodwaters in this way and more rain bands. But as of now, yellow flags in Orange Beach. It's a little after 8 a.m. on Tuesday, September the 10th. Just a little FYI knowledge, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, these yellow and red marked marker posts here, there, and right over here, they actually mark a man-made artificial reef just off the shore there, probably about 100 yards that you can dive and snorkel to. But that's the purpose of those markers. Romar Beach, public beach access, again, paid for parking. It's a smaller lot, so it'll fill up quickly in the summertime during the busy months. But it does have a little shower rinse-off area right here. And it has a dedicated restroom facility also. And it appears to be, is that a Tesla charging station? Let's check that out. They have added EV charging only parking here. The first few here on the east side of the parking lot at Romar Beach. And it is a charging station. That's new from the last time I came down here. A little while, maybe this afternoon or evening, to come back over towards coastal here in Orange Beach to check out the wave action, to see if anything increases or changes in that time frame. Everything's pretty, you know, it's choppy. Got a few little waves, but still yellow flag conditions here in Orange Beach and Gulf Shores. And that's going to wrap up this video, taking a look to see if anything's happening from Tropical Storm Francine, who's in the Gulf of Mexico, heading towards Louisiana. Right now, Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Alabama, looking good. I'll come back out later this afternoon and evening, see if any conditions have changed. If so, I'll upload another video either tonight or first thing in the morning. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.